Hi guys, so recently I made a video talking about how I didn't feel a need to go on a low buy or a no buy. Um, no, I do feel a bit of a need for some sort of boundaries, restraint. I have made a video about my financial situation, which will go up after this video. Um, but I'm partially because of that. Gonna go on a low buy. Not necessarily a no buy because I'll get into a second, but definitely a low buy. I've done my makeup inventory this year. I will link it in the info box for you, but I've already accumulated a good chunk of makeup this year, and it's only April. And I've accumulated far more makeup than I thought I would this year. I'm also gearing up to do my non-makeup inventory because I know you guys are excited for that. I was in my cupboard over there and I got out the storage boxes and there was stuff. I thought I'd cleared everything out of there and that there was just little bits. No. There was a lot. There was a lot in there. And yes, there are some things I have planned to purchase from my Avon order this session, but after that it's definitely going to be cut down to the bare essentials. So you'll have seen some of my clean with me videos. If you haven't, I will link them in the info box. I was cleaning my beauty desk because it was very cluttered and things were everywhere. And whilst things were everywhere, in the normal storage areas, they looked like there wasn't a whole lot of stuff. So I never really thought about doing a low buy or a no buy because I was like, if I happen to buy some things, it's not the end of the world. It's possibly going to be the end of the world. I've during the process of tidying everything up and putting them in tidy boxes and getting everything organized, I'm realizing just the sheer amount of stuff that is there that I need to work on using up and just getting out of my freaking house. I'm sure you all watch Jessica Lee. She's been on a no buy for almost 2 years. Like, I could be her. If I could commit to a no buy, I could easily be her. The only reason I'm not committing to a full on no buy is mostly because I am a rep. I do need to try things and test things out. I'm putting parameters on what I'm allowed to buy though. I'm only allowed to buy things that I've never had before, new products that I'm genuinely interested in, or something that more than 5 people have asked me about. I know that seems like a very low number, but if you think about the scheme of it on the scale of being an Avon lady, like 5 people is about, it could be anywhere between 5 and 10% of your customer base. So if 5 people ask you about something, it's worthwhile you knowing how the product is, so that if anyone else asks, you can tell them. I'm also going to set a financial limit there. I'm giving myself an allowance of £50 per catalogue, which is a 3-week period, which doesn't sound like a lot, but again, does sound like a lot. But also, you can get a lot of stuff from Avon for £50. I know I'm starting to sound like a sales pitch right now, but you so can. For like £50 you can get a lot of stuff, especially when you consider like shower gels are only like £1, lipsticks you can pick up for like £3, eyeliners £2.50. It's, if you see things that catch your attention, they are priced to shift. Especially when we do like gift with purchase sets. Like, we recently ran one for a new perfume launch that was £14 and it came with, it was like £27 worth of stuff. So I'm only allowed to buy things I've never had before. New products I'm genuinely interested in. items that people have asked me, that more than 5 people have asked me about, and an allowance limit of £50 per 3-week catalogue period. So that is the parameters of my low buy. Out with Avon, I'm thinking a complete and utter no buy of any non-Avon items. We're talking like repurchase only. Like if I should for some reason run out of I don't know, primers or whatever, or if I should run out of, well, let's pick a more logical one. If I should run out of cotton pads, you know, I can buy cotton pads, but I'm not going to buy just a pack of cotton pads. I will replenish my stock. I always like to keep a stock of cotton pads, and it goes the same for any makeup item, any non-makeup item. We're going for a complete and utter beauty blackout here. Beauty blackout. In terms of books and reading material, I have cancelled my subscriptions. I treated myself Christmas 2017 to 2 magazine subscriptions. And about midway through 2018, I found myself not even reading them. I have stacks. I have a pile of them still in the plastic. They've not been opened. So I cancelled my subscriptions. I do like to have a magazine every now and then. I might allow myself to buy 1 magazine a week. But, you know, I don't know if I would put a limit on magazines, because sometimes I can go weeks without buying them and be fine. And then other times I just hoard them. So I don't really know what to do about the magazine situation. However, books are an issue. I'm going to have some videos coming up about books soon. I need to get back on reading the ones I have. I keep seeing ones I would like. I might allow myself to purchase a book a month, which on my current trajectory of reading, that is more than enough books to purchase within a year. As far as writing supplies and stationery goes, there is again a complete blackout. You guys saw, if you haven't seen, go watch the beauty desk clear out. You saw all those notebooks that came out of there. There were notebooks from frickin' Woolworths, and I haven't cleared out the drawers yet. That's yet to come. But the top drawer of my desk is full of pens, full, like literally full, like the drawers like that deep. It is pens, the whole way down. It's pens. So we're going for a complete blackout on stationery. Clothing again for me is a bit of a grey area. I kill shoes. So when it comes to buying shoes, I have to buy multiple pairs in one go. I recently bought 4 pairs. And I bought another 2 pairs from Avon, which I still need to try on to see if they fit. But I kill shoes because I walk to work, I walk all around work. I could easily be walking like 6 miles, 10 miles a day and not even know it, but I walk through my shoes. It is not uncommon for me to buy a pair of shoes and have the soles worn through by the end of the month. I don't know if that's necessarily me being too hard on my shoes and expecting too much, or the fact that most high street stores now do all their manufacturing really cheap in China. But either way, I find it very hard to keep shoes for longer than maybe 3 months. So yeah. As far as clothing itself goes, I'm not a huge clothes buyer, so I might allow myself to have a money allowance per quarter. I do need to have a bit of a clothing clear out. If that's something you guys are interested in, I will happily film that, because I need to organise all my drawers and everything and go through baskets that have been sitting there since we moved in. I know it sounds weird that there's been baskets sitting for months that haven't been touched, but there are clothes I have in my mind I'm looking for and I can't find anywhere in my drawers, and I swear they must be in those baskets. It's not that it's not that I've put them there and forgot about them, it's just so much hassle to get those baskets out, to get the clothes out of them. What can I say? I'm a bit lazy. Uh, so I might set myself like a quarterly allowance to purchase things. 'Cause even then I've like maybe only pick up like 4 or 5 pieces. I don't go out and buy bags and bags of clothing because I have nowhere to wear it. You know, I've got children now, and all my friends have children, so we're not going out for meals and hanging out having coffee on a Saturday afternoon or anything like that anymore. So yeah, fashion identity is not part of my identity anymore. But we'll discuss that more when I feel the need to buy clothing at some point in this quarter, perhaps around my birthday. But yeah, apart from that, that is everything that I wanted to talk about in this video. So complete non-Avon beauty blackout. We've talked about the parameters for purchasing from Avon. Maybe a magazine a week, a book a month, no stationery whatsoever, unless... Is there an unless? Can I think of an unless? Like, unless I need Tipp-Ex or something, because I don't tend to hoard Tipp-Ex, although at the same time, when was the last time I used Tipp-Ex? I don't know. And clothing, you know, shoes as and when I need them, because I don't tend to shop, and quarterly budgeting for actual clothing. And yeah, well, we'll see how we go with that moving forward. Let me know if you could think of anything else I might not have thought of. Because when I say beauty, I mean like all makeup, non-makeup, skincare, perfume, body, shower, hairness. Unless it's something I need to replace, like if I completely run out of shampoo or whatever. Which I can't see happening. Especially, I'll never run out of conditioner. I literally have like 14 jars of hair mask. I'm gonna stop this video now because I feel like I'm digging myself into a hole. I never need to buy anything ever again. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.